Welcome to the information HUAWEI Nova Tennessee, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first, let's open notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here you should find screen recorder icon. Just click once on the icon to start the screen recording, and if you want to use the or turn off the microphone, we should click here to this microphone section. Sorry, once again I just close it, unfortunately. So now just to use the microphone to comment something, we should click here to microphone icon. Now microphone is in blue color, so this means that you just use it. If you want to turn it off, you should click here just once again to the microphone icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.